My name is Bill Treise, and I am a teaching tennis professional.
I need a balance finish.
He's been a lifelong tennis player, and now he's a tennis instructor, and it's a passion of his.
I want you to roll it.
I went to Jewett, and they said, you need a shoulder replacement. When I saw Dr. McFadden, he said, if you were my father, I would tell you to get this done now. And so I knew it was time.
He had very bad arthritis of his right shoulder. He had previous surgery with arthroscopic repair of the rotator cuff that had failed over the course of time. So in a patient like Bill, when they develop arthritis and they are rotator cuff deficient, we offer those patients reverse total shoulder arthroplasty.
I had total confidence in him because I had total confidence with every physician I'd ever seen at Jewett.
His surgery was actually mixed reality. We perform a CT scan of the shoulder prior to surgery. We use those images in order to perform a surgery. During surgery, I actually wear the Oculus lens, so I actually can look at the images of his shoulder and pull up the different images that we need in order to perform the surgery correctly. We did surgery, it went very well. Then he was then sent up to the orthopedic floor.
You mean the Jewett Orthopedic Resort? I'll tell you, private room.
And then he obviously had many meals he enjoyed.
The food is unbelievable. One of the most incredible things was that when you leave, you order what you would like to take home, a serving of 4, but it's just not one thing. It's from the moment you walk in the door, it's a resort. Everything about it is just unbelievable.
He was seen by our therapist who helped get him going and start him with his range of motion to get his motion back so he can get back to playing tennis.
Don't finish.
Like the drills that we were doing today where I'm pitching balls, I was able to do that right away, you know, and I've gone through rehab and I'm continuing in rehab, and I'm getting my shoulder to be able to raise up more and more.
So Bill's game should be better because he now has full range of motion in the shoulder. Bill is an example of us reaching our goals. Our goal of providing different level orthopedic care here at the Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute in Central Florida as well as Florida.
If I was talking to someone who had an ache and pain, it would be the first word out of my mouth. Go to Jewett. Jewett kind of rhymes with just do it, you know. It has that to it. Oh boy, I'm rhyming here.